everyone. We got a fun dancing exercise for you today. It's called the belt dance. All right, you just need a belt and we're gonna put it on. You don't need loops in your pants or your shorts for this. You just need to put the belt on. Starting for progression 1. I like the belt loop on the other side, excuse me. I'm gonna put that on before we get onto the line. From there, progression 1 is starting close to an anchor point, standing up, finding balance, and then bringing the hands to the belt to take it off. This is a good exercise because it takes the arms away and it makes you engage your core. Once you get the belt off, you pull it through, grab each end with your hands, step over, and then put the belt back on and repeat. That's progression 1. Doing that over and over about 3 to 5 times until you get comfortable. Okay, now we're going to move on to progression 2. Progression 2, we start holding the belt behind our back, one hand on each side of the belt, and we're going to go from standing to laying down. The goal is to hold on to the belt the whole way through. So I'm going through a drop knee, keeping the weight forward until the butt's nice and low, then sinking the hips back to find my seated position. From there, take this bent leg out to help me balance as I lay myself down. And then it's your choice what you want to do with this leg. If you want to keep it there, that's fine. For me, I like to turn it out like so. The whole time, I'm keeping my head up, chin towards the chest, looking at the opposite anchor point to help me balance and focus to put this belt back on. That's the goal, is put the belt back on when you're laying down. And then come back up to standing. So that's progression 2. Starting the belt here, laying down, putting it on, coming back up to standing. Now we're going to work on progression 3. So come down if you need to, take a break. The goal is to start progression 3 with the belt on. Progression 3 is simply a combination of 1 and 2. Starting with the belt on, close to an anchor point, taking the belt off, sliding it through, grabbing with both hands, stepping over, maintain holding the belt with both hands as we drop down. We drop knee, lowering down to a seated position or seating position. Take the leg free, lay all the way down. Adjust the foot on the line as necessary. Maintaining my chin towards my chest as I put the belt back on. Come back up to standing. All right, there you go. Progressions 1, 2, and 3. The goal is to do each progression 3 to 5 times. Have fun with it. Show off your belt dance. Send us your videos. Woohoo! All right, till next time. Keep training, folks.